the decision and or the will of the Paksha Pramukh is synonymous with the will of the political party cannot be accepted. If this proposition is accepted, then in a situation where the party president, who is also a legislator, itself defects, then he could simply escape the wrath of the 10th schedule by pleading that his decision is the will of the party. Further, if this proposition is to be accepted, it would mean that no member can ever voice concern against the party president, and the party president might possibly be able to seek disqualification against any member who questions his credibility. This would run contrary to the concept of intra-party dissent. In view of the clear and unequivocal finding of the Honorable Supreme Court at paragraph 183 to 190 of Subhash Desai, I will be falling foul of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in Kyoto Holohan, wherein the constitutional validity of the 10th schedule was itself upheld on the grounds that it is not an anti-dissent law if this proposition is accepted. I shall now proceed to consider whether the will of the majority leaders in the 2018 leadership structure is synonymous with the will of the political party. An alternate submission was made that even if the Paksha Pramukh is not accepted as the repository of the will of the political party, the decision of the leadership structure has to be construed as synonymous with the will of the political party. This proposition is also devoid of merit, and I do not find any substance in it for following reasons. In a circumstance where there is no dispute amongst the leaders identifiable by the constitution of a political party, the proposition would have held water. However, the factual matrix of the present matter is different. This is a matter where there is a dispute within the leadership structure itself. It is to be noted that in the present matter, rival factions have emerged in the legislature party, political party, and thus inevitably amongst leaders of the party as well. Thus, it would not be wise to apply this proposition in the present matter. The existence of split-stroke rift in the leadership structure is admitted by the petitioner and or the UBT faction, as can be inferred from the petitioner's affidavit in lieu of examination in chief of PW1